Good day everyone, I am Maria Cristina Arevalo and together with my group.
Claudine Aquino,
Blaselda Aquino,
Robin Narenas,
Atienza de Aldrin, Intiron Balboa.
And we are honored to present a research titled The Impact of Artificial Intelligence on the Academic Performances of Grade 12 UM Students. In this presentation, we will discuss the background of our study, the research design we used, the findings, and our conclusions. We hope our study provides valuable insights into how AI tools influence students' learning and academic growth. Thank you, and we are now ready to begin our presentation.
for our research gap, this study addresses that gap by exploring how grade 12 students use AI in their studies, the benefits and challenges it brings, and how it influences their overall academic achievement. Most existing research centers on college-level learners, leaving a gap in understanding how AI affects learning habits, academic honesty, and critical thinking at the secondary level. While many studies have examined the role of artificial intelligence or AI in education, few have focused on its direct impact on the academic performance of senior high school students, particularly those in UM-Strand. So, for our research, this study examines how AI affects the learning, honesty, and performance of grade 12 students at Pampanga High School, an area studied compared to college students. Next.
So for our trends, as AI technology grows rapidly, it's impacting many areas, specifically education. According to EdTech 2022, the incorporation of artificial intelligence or AI in education has transformed academic learning, bringing a mix of opportunities and challenges that impact students' performance. AI plays a vital role in students' academic growth. Assessing its impact on well-being is crucial considering its effect on both educational and social aspects. By understanding AI influence on academic performance and mental health, we can better support students' overall development. Next.
So, for our issues, AI offers great opportunities in education but also brings challenges such as academic dishonesty and overdependence on technology. According to Kadir 2013, ulit.
Sige, go.
Okay. According to Kadir 2013, students may misuse AI tools by submitting AI-generated work as their own, which threatens academic integrity. Similarly, Holmes and Toomey 2022 emphasize that schools must clearly define the AI role in learning to ensure its proper use. The proposed study will focus on the issue of academic honesty. So, it will also explore strategies and institutional measures to balance AI-assisted learning with the preservation of integrity and genuine skill development. So, for our issue, AI helps in learning but also causes issues like cheating and dependence on technology. This study examines how AI misuse affects the honesty and critical thinking of grade 12 students at Pampanga High School. Next.
Next, for our objective, this proposed study aims to assess the impact of artificial intelligence on academic performances among students. The following are the objectives of this study. First, to examine the impact of artificial intelligence or AI technologies on the academic performance. Second, to investigate the potential positive and negative impacts of artificial intelligence or AI. Last one, to analyze the frequency and manner in which grade 12 UM students at Pampanga High School utilize AI technologies in their academic pursuits.
we will tackle the theoretical framework.
This study is based on connectivism theory by Siemens 2005, self-determination theory by Deci and Ryan 2000, and the TPAC model, Mishra and Kohler 2006. These frameworks explain how AI supports learning motivation and teaching when used responsibly. They also highlight the need to balance AI benefits with issues like dependency and fairness. The study explains that AI can improve learning and motivation but should be used responsibly to avoid dependency and unfairness.
Next.
And for our conceptual framework, the study examines how artificial intelligence influences the academic performance of young students at Pampanga High School, highlighting both its benefits in personalized learning and its challenges in accessibility and equity.
Our statement of the problem. The purpose of this study is to determine the impact of artificial intelligence with the following goals in mind. First, to examine on the academic performance. Second, to investigate the potential positive and negative impacts of artificial intelligence. Third, to analyze the frequency and manner in which grade students at Pampanga High School utilizes AI technologies in their academic pursuits. This study aims to understand how artificial intelligence affects students' academic performance. It focuses on three main points: examining AI impact on learning, identifying both its positive and negative effects, and analyzing how often and in what ways grade 12 young students at Pampanga High School use AI in their studies.
Next.
Research is significant in terms of educational relevance to artificial intelligence of the following students. This research may raise an awareness among students about the advantage and disadvantage of having AI in educational system, which could later encourage them to responsibly use these technologies as well as to apply a critical thought for emerging technologies. For teacher, the finding may uphold the foundation to designing teaching methodologies incorporate AI as a supplementary tools with academic integrity and critical thinking principles. For school administrators, the result could be the basis of informing the policies and decisions that guide to regulation, accessibility, and distributive justice of AI technologies in the learning environment. Future scholars. This work will lay a scholarly foundation for future inquiries related to the role of AI in education across other disciplines, at other grade level, and in different institution contexts. Next.
So we will now move on to methodology. We have research design. This study
Mute ka,
is...
Tina.
Now we will move on methodology. First, we have research design. This study uses a quantitative descriptive research design to examine the relationship between the use of artificial intelligence (AI) and the academic performance of grade 12 young students. Quantitative research focuses on collecting and analyzing numerical data through structured methods like surveys to identify patterns or correlations. The descriptive approach aims to present an accurate picture of how AI tools such as study aids and tutoring apps affect students' learning outcomes, efficiency, and study habits. Statistical analysis will be used to interpret the data and determine the extent of AI's impact on academic performance.
And for our sampling, the study will include all 100 grade 12 HUME students at Pampanga High School for school year 2024 to 2025. Chosen through purposive sampling based on their prior use of AI tools with a minimum of 80 respondents required to ensure sufficient representation. Next.
Issue. The researcher will follow ethical standards by obtaining informed consent from participants, ensuring voluntary participation, maintaining confidentiality, and using data only for research. Participants can withdraw at any time without penalty. Approval will be sought from the school and the research teacher before data collection. This section ensures that study is conducted responsibly by protecting participants' rights, privacy, and freedom to choose. It also emphasized the importance of institutional approval and ethical integrity in research.
Data gathering. First, permission to conduct the study will be obtained from the administrator and the research teacher of the high school. The researchers will present the informed consent forms to the selected respondents. When recruiting them to administer the validated survey questionnaires. After consenting, the validated survey questionnaires will be provided to the selected respondents, who will be the students' grade 12 volumes. The selected respondents will complete.
Conclusion. This summary study aims to depend to understand how artificial intelligence AI with academic performance of grade 12 UM students at Pampanga High School. It gives both the benefits and intelligence using just improve learning of technology. This finding will prove insights for education and policy make an effect way to integrate AI into by using engaged critical thinking problem solving skill over the study promote from AI roles in education emphasis. This advance will address as drawbacks. This study explores how our artificial intelligence AI performs of grade 12 young student at Pampanga High School. Cause on both these benefits do it highlight that while AI can improve learning facial, it also poses right like academic dishonest and overwhelms on technology overall in this study, such using responsible education to engage critical thinking and problem solving while these negative and effect.
Statistical treatment of data. The data collected from participants will be analyzed using appropriate statistic methods. The analysis will summarize, describe, and present the demographic profile of respondents and the type of AI tools they have using both frequency and percentage. The perceived impact of using AI on the learning activities of the participants will be summarized and described as a weight mean. The relationship of AI used to academic performance will be determined using Pearson product, moment, correlation, coefficient, Pearson R analysis. All analysis will be conducted at 0.05 level of significance. Next.
Okay na? So, that concludes our defense presentation. We sincerely thank you for taking the time to listen and evaluate our work. This study has been valuable learning experience for us, and we truly appreciate your insights and feedback that will help us improve further. Once again, thank you. Thank you for listening.